Hi again, Reading Rangers. Today's book, Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes, is written by Eric Litwin and James Dean. It comes with a song too. Support the channel by hitting the like and subscribe button. Let's find out what happens to Pete's shoes. Pete the Cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much he sang this song.
I love my white shoes. 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 I love my white shoes.
Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries. What color did it turn his shoes?
Red!
Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no!
He kept walking along and singing his song.
I love my red shoes. 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 I love my red.
Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes?
Blue!
Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no!
He kept walking along and singing his song.
I love my blue shoes. 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 I love.
Oh no! Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. What color did it turn his shoes? Brown. Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no!
He kept walking along and singing his song.
I love my brown shoes. 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 I love my brown.
Oh no! Pete stepped in a bucket of water. All the brown and all the blue and all the red were washed away. What color were his shoes again? White! But now they were wet. Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no!
He kept walking along and singing his song.
I love my wet shoes. 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 I love my wet shoes.
The moral of Pete's story is, no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song. Because it's all good. Pete the cat stepped into so many different things. I'm really glad he was able to clean his shoes. My favorite parts was definitely the song. Support the channel by clicking on the like and subscribe button and see what other great books you want to read together. See you in the next video, Reading Rangers.